Hi everyone, welcome back to Glow Recipe. Today we're excited to talk about a new product that we've been working on. As you already know, we like to say hydration is such a key factor for every step of your skincare routine. But with this new product, we're taking hydration to a whole new level.
Without further ado, we'd love to share our latest launch, the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. We're so excited for this innovation because we were able to harness the powers of a fruit that we've never used before, plum, and marry that with a skincare essential, hyaluronic acid, to give you plump, glowing, healthy skin.
When we were thinking about this new product, we were inspired by the look of healthy, plump, and bouncy skin. We love the look of plum skin because it gives you this youthful, wide awake, and overall more healthy look that everyone wants. So in order to make a product with these benefits, we turn to two key ingredients: hyaluronic acid and plums.
Plums are amazing ingredients because they're incredibly hydrating for the skin and naturally rich in vitamins and minerals. One of the reasons we love to use fruit in our skincare so much. In our formulas, we combine 3 different types of plum, including Kakadu plum, which has one of the highest natural concentrations of vitamin C, 100 times that of an orange, and is rich in vitamins A, E, and is an anti-inflammatory. We also included Illawarra plum, which is rich in anthocyanins, a powerful antioxidant, and Burdekin plum, which is rich in minerals like magnesium, potassium, calcium, and zinc, and is a powerful antioxidant that has anti-aging properties.
Plums can also synthesize with your skin's natural hyaluronic acid production, which is why pairing them with their own form of hyaluronic acid was a no-brainer. Hyaluronic acid, which naturally occurs in your skin, is a humectant, which means it pulls in and holds onto moisture molecules. This is why it can give your skin a hydrated and plumping effect. We created this formula with a more modern approach that combines 5 different molecular weights of hyaluronic acid that are made to fill your skin layer by layer with intense hydration. This means that the smaller hyaluronic acid molecules can sink in to fill in the deeper layers of your skin with hydration, while the larger molecules will smooth and plump your skin towards the surface.
To help support skin barrier health even more, we infuse this formula with plant-based collagen and vegan silk proteins. Our vegan collagen is made from the acacia plant and has shown comparative efficacy to animal collagen in clinical trials. Our vegan silk protein is a hydrogel peptide made from plant sugar and is created through a biofermentation process. We also included tremella mushroom in the formula, which is incredible at plumping skin.
We believe that hydration should be a key factor for every step of your skincare routine, whether you're naturally dry, dehydrated, or oily. That's because infusing your skin with hydration will actually help regulate these imbalances.
You can use this serum in your daily skincare routine morning and night, depending on how your skin is feeling. And just like our other treatment, the Pineapple C Bright Serum, we recommend that you use this serum on cleansed and toned skin after the eye cream, but before your moisturizer and sleeping mask steps. You can even mix the 2 serums together to target multiple skin concerns.
This serum is honestly unlike anything that we've ever used before, and we can't wait for you to try it. If you have any questions, please leave them below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Get your glow on!